we got a little break in the action here. We got here a little bit, I guess we were on time, but late my standard. But we made it down here to Sumpter. Tay is probably working on some orders. But anyhow, we are brought Thunder Bomber down here to Sumpter. Met some people. That's pretty cool. Got late models on the track now, and we're going to see what this old girl's got. Good night just to do some testing with it and see what the car does. We haven't been able to really make any adjustments to see what the car likes or whatnot, but I'm gonna hop off here before they go green for the Blue Ridge Hot Laps, and then we go out in 2 classes. So we're gonna try our best to video. We're stuck down here in the infield, so it's gonna be hard to get up top and get some footage, but we're gonna do our best. They almost got me, boys. They almost got me. Almost got me. Don't want to drive 2 hours and not be able to race. Well, I gotta say thank you. I didn't catch their name, but the number 5 mini stock out here. Appreciate them. They had some spade connectors so I could get that wiring issue patched up so we can race tonight. It would have sucked to drive all the way out here and then, you know, have those issues and not get to at least race. So I think we ended up like 9th. I never made a clean lap in qualifying because the car was just busted up the whole time, and then it shut down. So after it shut down, I just had to push me back to the hauler, and we took the hood off, and I immediately saw what the problem was. So yeah, we got it fixed. Glad we didn't go all the way to Friendship, because that would have been, you know, 4 hours round trip. And glad Taylor talked me out of that. Smart move on our part to just come here. We had the right gear for here. I think we might have had a little bit too much for Friendship because it's a little bit longer, but yeah, so we're going to start here in the back. I think there's 11 cars, so we're going to start in the back and see if we can't work our way forward, or just kind of see what the track gives us, because right now the late models just finished their qualifying and dash, their top 6 dash, whatever it was, and the track's pretty rough. One of the late models knocked a tire off the bead in qualifying, and then one of the Thunder Bomber that was right in front of me, he actually knocked the bead off his right rear also. So yeah, I'm glad we got bead locks on the car, so we won't have to worry about that part, but we are going to have to kind of prepare, and it's kind of hard to do that when you don't make any clean laps. Kind of know what this car is going to do after taking it to practice, but we'll get a lot more feedback after this 15-lap feature. So glad we're out here. I actually really enjoy this place. I wish it was a little bit wider. It's a real tight little racetrack, kind of like a little bull ring, but it's a real fun track, and we haven't been down here in about a year, so we brought the late model one time last year. I don't think we did any videoing or anything like that, but I think Tay's going to go up in the grandstands for the feature, and hopefully we can put together a half decent video. And yeah, everybody say thank you to Tay for being the camera girl. Tay, they say thank you. Hey, they say thank you. She's so sweet. But anyhow, I'm gonna get off here, and I reckon we're gonna watch the Crown Vics. But appreciate y'all watching. We will get back to y'all after the feature. She's so fast she grew wings. Well, guys, we came down here to Sumter, started the day terrible. I'm just not gonna lie. I just had some crap luck, but the feature was a blast. I think we started dead last. I think it was 11th, so there weren't a ton of cars, but we were able to get up to 4th, or we finished 4th. I probably could have pushed the issue and leaned on the guy a little bit down the backstretch, but I know he didn't know I was there on the outside of him. I didn't want to put him off in the woods, so I just lifted and dubbed, went back under him to get into 3. But I had a blast. Definitely got some body damage. Seems like that's
a weekly thing.
Yeah, but we got wings now, so we're gonna fly. You know what I mean? Surprised we didn't take off, but like I say, I had fun. This track's it's literally like driving a go-kart. This car is surprisingly really good now that I got it where it'll turn. I almost have to say that it's better than my Lakeview car, which is crazy. But maybe I should have took this car to Lakeview last week, and we would have been that much better off. It dealt with the rough really good. The car got real free on me as the race went on. So it was just something I'm going to have to work on. Should be pretty easy fix on some scales. So we'll look and see where we're at and kind of work from it. But appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you go to the Checkered Brunette and get some Nothing But Dirt merch, and appreciate everybody that has bought merch. And just to let y'all know, the easiest way, I see your comments and I'm not sure how to get up with you, so if you're wanting merch, please go to Taylor's Facebook page, the Checkered Brunette on Facebook. Go to my Facebook page, I tag her and everything, and make sure that you message her directly, because I'll forget. I got a lot of stuff going on, and I'm very forgetful. So, like I said, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you drop down, like, comment, subscribe, and what's up to the 2 little dudes that had me sign some autographs tonight. Appreciate y'all coming over. Kind of made me feel good, made me drive better maybe. And also want to say it was nice talking to some folks that watched the videos. The fella in the B3, and I believe it's his dad. Yeah, Kendall Boatwright, that's his name. See, I'm forgetful. But him and his dad or his grandpa won. I enjoyed talking to y'all, so y'all need to come up to Lakeview sometime and come run with us. But we're going to get off here. We got a 2-hour ride home, and it's probably after midnight, so it's going to be a late one. See y'all. Alright, so a little update. I'm finally getting to wash this stock V8 car. Turns out I got some work to do this week. But woke up this morning and got the grass mowed. And just to update everybody on the Sumpter race, we finished 4th, but we moved up to 3rd. So we finished 3rd after there was, I guess, an engine protest on the 24 car, and I was told that he had a 602 in his car and that it was a factory stock car. So for those that don't know, the Thunder Bombers can't run 602s, factory stocks can. And then the engines on the Thunder Bombers, there's a lot of rules. It's a good rule package because it should be pretty cheap motors. However, that guy got DQ'd, so the 9 ended up winning, and then Kendall ended up 2nd, and then I ended up 3rd. So just wanted to give you all that update. Yeah, so appreciate everybody watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Also, thank you to all the sponsors on the car. Really couldn't do it without y'all, so thanks Mr. Mike and Taylor and myself on that car. I can't keep up. Anyhow, we're going to start getting this car cleaned up so we can get to work and get some parts ordered. So appreciate everybody watching. We'll check you on the next one.